Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about abbreviation Sc2 together, T-O-G. It stands for a single crochet, two together. Generally speaking, when you have crocheted stitches crocheted together, it's a decreased stitch, but there are many various stitch patterns that incorporate that. And as long as you compensate for the loss of a stitch when you do two single crochet together, it evens out the stitch numbers and you'll get not a decrease but a flat fabric. So in this particular swatch, what I'm doing to compensate for that single stitch decrease is I'm chaining one. So I'll chain one, and the next two stitches I'm going to do single crochet two together. So I've got a chain space here. I'm going to go ahead and insert my hook, yarn over and pull it up. Now a single crochet, I would do a yarn over and pull through both loops. I'm not going to do that because I need to complete single crochet together, the two stitches together. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and now I have 3 loops on my hook, and now I can complete single crochet 2 together. So I'll yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Let's do that again. So I'm compensating with a chain into the next chain space, yarn over, pull it up, into the next stitch, yarn over, pull it up, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, and complete that stitch. So it's as easy as that. Single crochet 2 together.